Hello guys and welcome back. So in this lecture I will explain how to insert table rows and columns. So guys, this is this table. I want to insert rows and columns into this table. So now I will explain how to insert rows and columns. Okay, first select any row. So I want to insert new row at this fourth position, so that's why I'm selecting this fourth row. Once we are selecting this fourth row, just click on this insert menu. It will show various options. So in these options we are selecting insert sheet rows option. Click on this. See, automatically new row is inserted in this particular table. Okay, if you want to delete this row again, go to this delete option. See, here we have option called delete sheet rows option. Okay, click on this. See, automatically that inserted row gets deleted. This is the exact position row inserted. Right now I want to show you how to insert rows above the selected position. It means, let's suppose if I select this fifth position row, if I insert rows, those rows are inserted above this pink color option. Okay, now I will show you. Okay, so go to this insert option again. See, here option called insert table rows above option. Okay, just select this. See, automatically row gets created at the above. Okay, so this is the one way to create rows in Excel. If you want to delete this row, same, you can use delete option. Go to delete table rows. See, automatically this particular table row gets deleted. So like this we can insert or delete rows in Excel. And also if you want to add rows at the bottom of the table, so in this case we need to use shortcut key tab button. Okay, so select any row. I am selecting this row, any cell in this particular table, select that cell, then click on tab button. See, automatically row gets added. Again select this, click on again tab button. See, automatically row gets expand. So like this also we can add rows at the bottom of the table. And also if you want to add any data to this table, this is also possible. Now I will show you. Okay, so I have this data, I want to add this data to this table. Okay, so that's why I'm copy this data, then paste it over here. See, automatically table rows gets expanded. This is one way to expand table rows in Excel. Okay, if you want to delete these rows, so first select, okay, and delete. See, here it will delete only data, but it is not deleted this table format. In this case we have to drag this mouse over at the corner of this table and move the cursor. See, automatically this format gets deleted. This is one way to delete table format. Or we can use this option. Once we are selecting deleted rows, go to this delete menu, select this delete sheet rows. See, automatically all rows gets deleted. So this is the one way, another way to delete rows in Excel. Now I will show you how to change this position, this rows position. Let's suppose I want to change this purple data to move to this fourth position. So in this case, first select this row, move cursor at bottom or top of the particular row, hold it, okay, and drag this. See, automatically this purple color location gets changed. Okay, like this we can change rows position in a table. Okay, now I will show you how to change column position. So first select this particular column. See, mouse over at the bottom whenever this cursor turned into 4 headed cursor, then hold it, then drag this. See, automatically that particular column location gets changed. So like this we can change column position in Excel. And also if you want to add columns in Excel table, just select any column. Okay, then go to this insert option. See, here we have option called insert sheet columns option. Select this. See, automatically column gets generated. Like this we can insert columns in Excel. If you want to delete this column, just select again same column, go to this delete option. See, here we have option called delete sheet columns option. Just click on this, automatically that particular inserted column gets deleted. So like this we can insert rows and columns in Excel table. Okay, so that's it guys. Okay, thank you.